Hello, students. Myself Abhishek Choria, and we are now discussing about what is firewall, what type of firewalls are, and some more thing about the types of firewall description. Little bit description we are going to discuss here. Okay. So first question is what is firewall? Okay. So firewalls are designed to protect computers and entire network from a malicious attack. Means firewalls are designed as a protection wall between the internet and the client, right? Or we can say client and the server, to protect them from any kind of unusual activity, malicious attack, or any kind of bad things. Okay. Essentially what they do is they protect the host from one network from the host of another network. That means the same host and the server. Okay. Hardware and software firewall we know. Okay. Some basic features of firewall: designed to protect computers and the network from the malicious attack, protect host on one network from the host of another network. Okay. And third is segregate your internal network from the internet, means protect your individual network or individual host from the whole network or internet, we can say. Accomplished by configuring incoming and outgoing traffic, means it will scan, or it will take care of all the incoming traffic also and outgoing traffic also. Okay. Two types of firewall we have. Okay. This is a difference, basic differences between the hardware based and software based firewall. So hardware based are best suited for the medium and large enterprises. Medium and large means if you have a small business, or we can say you have system 10, 20, 50 and more than that, so you can use hardware because that is an expensive thing. Okay. Software, that means if you are using as a personal PC, your small office, you have home network, 3 4 or single computer if you have, so it is better to install the software based firewall. Better security hardware firewall have, because they are implemented in the network itself, not in the computer or not in the PC of individual person. Okay. Less secure than the hardware firewall, the software based, because it is a individual based software which is installed in the individual system, not in the network. Okay. Third in the hardware is provide excellent performance thanks to dedicated hardware resources, means according to the resources it will protect you from the network. Okay. And in the software base, the performance is reliant on a host operating system resources, means whatever the operating system resources will be there, it will work according to that only. Okay. In the hardware based firewall, a small surface area attack surface area is there, because there is a less chance of attack. Okay. In the software, large surface attack will be there, because whole operating system will be affected if the firewall is not working. Okay. And in the hardware we have a network based firewall, so there is a less chances of attack. Okay. Hardware is more costlier than the software, because it is a proper hardware machine and all the setup will be arranged in the network only. And software is generally cost efficient, because some of free softwares is also available in the form of network antiviruses. Okay. Some example of personal and network based. So network we have forefront, and for host and personal we have Microsoft Windows firewall. Okay. So some these types of firewalls we have. First is packet filtering, circuit level, application level, stateful, and next generation software hardware we have discussed, and cloud based. Okay. So from the last, if we discuss software and hardware we have discussed, and the cloud firewall means protecting the web services, or we can say cloud services. Okay. So now we discuss packet filtering, circuit, application, stateful, and next generation. Okay. So packet filtering firewall basically filter the packets, individual packets, like for HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, DNS, SMTP, and POP3. Okay. HTTP 80 we have, HTTPS 443. So all these ports will be scanned in the packet filtering firewall. If you set up packet filtering firewall, that means all these ports will be scanned in the form of security. Okay. Circuit level firewall, that is also called a transparent proxy. Okay. Transparent proxy of the system or a network in which you are implementing the firewall. Okay, that is also known as a next generation or second generation, we can say second generation firewall technology. Okay, it do not analyze each and every packet which is available for the packet filtering, but in the circuit level we have to make a session, we have to make a filter rule. According to that rule, it will scan the system, or we can say outgoing or incoming queries there. Okay, application based or application level firewall, also known as proxy servers. And deep data inspection means, why deep data inspection? Because here we are using the proxy server, not the main server is going to affect here. We are making an exact copy of that server, and all the incoming and outgoing services and request will be go through the proxy only, not it is not affecting the main system. Okay, under resourced firewall can negatively affect the negative performance, or we can say network performance. So how it is work? If your proxy is not working, so definitely it will affect directly the application, means whatever the server or a network you are using. Okay, plan for growth and purchase the best resource you can afford. Okay, stateful, that is a combination of both packet filtering and application level firewall, and they are frequently considered to be the best solution, because we are connecting two firewalls here, packet filtering also and application level filtering also. Okay, rich in feature like antivirus protection, content filtering, intrusion prevention, and report generating also it is work here. Okay, it is very expensive obviously, because two firewalls we are configuring each other. Okay, difficult to configure and maintain, same reason, two firewall we have to set up, that's why it is a little bit complicated to manage and configure. Okay, the next generation firewall is a network security device that provide capability beyond the traditional and stateful, means beyond all kind of firewalls we have discussed. It is beyond all of them, and it will provide you more security. Okay, some of the features include deep packet inspection. All these we can say features are above than all other features we have seen in any other of the firewalls. So these are the types of firewall we have seen. So in later session we will discuss more about them. Okay, thank you.